Say it again.
Hi, Gabby. Thank you for getting me this present. I want to open it up.
She did a
And
good
I
job.
got a million presents from everybody, even Santa.
Just open up here.
Here.
Oh, that one's for Caitlin. Those are a little too small for you. Look at those cute little shoes. Oh, you got the dress. Pocahontas. Pocahontas dress and pants. Oh, corduroys. That's what your mom got.